SMART stands for Saturday Morning Art. We teach young students anywhere from kindergarten to 8th grade art on Saturday mornings.
The teachers in the SMART program are students at Rowan, either art education students or just art majors. We have our own classrooms separated from each grade.
The class I teach for SMART is first graders and kindergartners, and it's every Saturday for 2 hours. I make a lesson plan and then I teach that morning, so every week is a different art project.
Our theme for SMART this year is patience and perseverance, so I've kind of been keeping that in mind when I'm creating my lessons. I feel like as a teacher, you have to be really organized and well prepared when you go into your class. You can only practice that and prepare for that by actually being in that position, so being in that role has just helped me become more of a leader.
It is a class at Rowan. We meet every Wednesday. We go over how to do lesson plans and art classroom etiquette, how to set up your art classroom, how to handle certain situations.
This SMART program is very crucial for our development as art educators. Each week I learn so much by just teaching for that 2 hours.
SMART helped me prepare in so many ways because it was actually one of the first times I've taught by myself in front of a full class of 25 kids. Rowan is actually one of the only schools that has a SMART program, so that definitely inspired me to come here and to partake in that because I thought it was really great exposure. Some of the kids claim they can't draw or they can't do it, and they're very quick to give up. I know that art can be a very daunting field for a lot of people. I always make sure to mention before they start that everyone should look different, and that's okay, and that's actually encouraged.
We have an art show for them to showcase their work at the end of the semester. Us as teachers, we have that role of collecting all their work and mounting everything.
We invite the parents to come and bring, aunts, uncles, anyone, to come and view the art in the hallways, almost as if it's like a real museum.
A student came up to me and said that they loved my class and how they want to continue to participate. And I could tell that they did enjoy it just by their engagement in the classroom. But just them coming up to me and saying it just meant a lot.
Take a Sharpie and a roll and you go bloop, 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 bloop. This is shapes. This is also shapes. The most fun thing was expressing what I'm feeling into my artwork to make it beautiful.
For the kids that I've taught this fall, I would say thank you for allowing me to teach you, knowing that I'm a student and I'm still learning too, and we're all learners in that environment.
A lot of times in many schools, art is a subject that gets overlooked, and I think the SMART program brings that kind of importance back. Art is extremely crucial in everyone's life, not only young children. I would say never lose that creativity and to always stay true to yourself because I think that's the most important thing. And I just never want them to lose their own lens and their own creativity.
How much fun did you have here at SMART?
A lot of fun.